Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing 2 more mystery beauty boxes from Kelz Mailjoy. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. If you're curious to see what's in these 2 boxes, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be unboxing 2 more mystery beauty boxes from Kelz Mailjoy. Now, if you guys didn't catch my video yesterday, I unboxed one of the beauty mystery boxes in addition to a mystery package of postcards, and they stuck some extra goodies in there for me, which was super exciting. Now, they have offered a code to anyone who's watching these videos and would be interested in checking out their website. If you use code AMBER10, you will get an additional 10% off of your purchase. How fun is that? So make sure that you check them out, kelzmailjoy.com, and don't forget to use my code AMBER10 to get that 10% off of your purchase. So without further ado, let's see what I got in these boxes. Okay, guys, so here's my boxes. I have 2 of them here. So super fun. And I was really excited about yesterday's box, so I cannot wait to see what's in these ones. Let's check them out. Woo! So here's what it looks like when I open up this one. And then once you take the paper away, they have the thank you on there. And it says, thank you for your purchase of our mystery beauty box. We hope you are happy with your purchase. That's really nice. Okay, so once I take that away, we got some bubble wrap on top to keep everything protected. So I'll give you a quick sneak-a-peek. Boom. And let's dig in. Okay, so we have an After Spa slip-on exfoliator. Oh, okay, so you just like slip it on your hand. It's organic, biodegradable, vegan. Awesome. So you just slip it on your hand and you rub it on your body to exfoliate. So that's super cool. I've never tried one of these before. I'm actually kind of curious what that looks like. Oh, okay. Oh. Alrighty, daddy. There you go. Super easy. I'm loving that. Ooh, it's got a nice smell to it too. Awesome. Okay. I've never tried one of these. I do like the exfoliating thing, so that's super cool. Super happy with the first thing. Let's see what else we got in here. So we have a Kush waterproof mascara. Ooh, Milk makeup. Hello. Milk makeup's expensive, guys. And these beauty boxes, again, are $15. So I just want to stress that, I'm going to grab my scissors, sorry, that they are very affordable and you're getting full-size products in these boxes, guys. So that is super, super awesome. Okay, let's pop this open so that you guys can have a look. Oh, wow. Guys, this is heavy. Wow. Okay, this is awesome. Now I have a ton of mascara open. I hope you guys are getting that. But I have a ton of mascara open, so I'm not going to open it. But wow, this is a heck of a mascara. I mean, this is a beast. Wow. Oh my gosh. This, I'm sure, like, paid for the box and then some. That is an awesome mascara. I'm super excited to try it. Okay, so next we have an AOA, it's a lip balm in strawberry. Awesome. Okay. So I want to give this a quick smell here because I do like the other one. I got one in the very first one of these I got from them, and I like it a lot. Oh my God, that smells so good. Yes! Okay, so that's super awesome. Yay! Okay, guys, I am loving these boxes. This is so fun. I love a good mystery box. So, Pond's Clear Solutions Facial Foam. Okay, awesome. 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces. Awesome. Here we go. Yes! I mean, I'll use the heck out of this for sure. For sure. That's great, guys. Okay, so there's that. Ooh, what is this? Will Powder. Oh, it's a blush. I've never seen a blush like this. Here you go. Here's this one. I've never seen one like this. I mean, I get a lot, or well, not a lot. I get a couple of different beauty boxes, but I've not seen one that looks like this. This is interesting. Ooh, I love the color. Look at the color, guys. Yes. Okay, I love that. Okay, this is super cute too. I like it. It's almost like feels like a matchbook case. That's super cool. Okay, guys, and then the last thing in this one, you get 5 full-size products, by the way, is this super cute panda bag. Look at that. Ah, how cute is that? Ah, I I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look how cute that is, guys. Oh, I love it. Okay, guys, so that is really awesome. Now, that's the first one. So let's go ahead and jump right into this next box here. So let's go ahead and give you a sneak peek of that one. And they're all packaged the same, guys. When you get these, they look like this. You have some nice bubble wrap on top to keep everything protected. And then here's your sneak peek. Awesome. I don't want it to fall out, which it was about to. So I'm going to go ahead and set this one off to the side here and hope that it doesn't tumble down, which it's about to. We're going to do that so it doesn't fall. So I have other boxes stacked over there too. So funny. Okay. So we're going to start with this. This is Dose of Colors. This is I am not sure what this is. Here's the package before I rip it open, which I'm about to do. So let's take a look at this, guys. Dose of Colors. Oh. Whoa, that is definitely some color. Wow. It's got a mirror on it, so we're going to cover that up. But look. Wow, that's awesome. Look at that color. What? Ooh, I'm excited to try that. That looks like a nice deep green. Oh, I love it. Oh, here's what the other part looks like. I didn't even show that to you guys. That is so awesome. I am loving this, guys. Oh, and she put it in a baggie, make sure that it didn't leak out all over the place, which is really nice. I greatly appreciate that. So this is, oh, it's cuticle oil. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. I was seriously getting ready to buy some cuticle oil. I'm not even kidding. That is so super funny. Now I don't have to. I have some. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. That I seriously was getting ready to buy some because I needed some. Okay, so now we have a Real Her Lip Liner Duo. Real Her Lip Liner Duo. I hope you guys are getting that. Can't really tell in this light. Ooh, and I dropped my thing. Oh, look, the other end is open, so I can open it over here. Oh, so you just get a couple of different lip liners. There's another one in here. Okay, so here's your two colors of lip liner. So, okay, there's the one. All right, put that back on. I will definitely use both of these colors for sure. And there you go. There's the other one. Super awesome, guys. That's awesome. Okay, I'm digging the lip liner. And then this, I actually got one of these in my other, and I love it. I'm actually going to their website. This one is Honeydew Melon. I don't have the Honeydew Melon. That is awesome, so I can't wait to smell this. Here's what it looks like, guys. This stuff is bomb. So I'm going to pop everything up so that you guys can see it, but the website, you got to go check out their website because I'm going to order some of this directly from them because I like it that much. It is so awesome. Oh my God, it's happening. And it is so soft, guys. Oh my gosh, it makes your skin feel amazing. This stuff is bomb. I love it. So make sure it's Sugar and Roses body butters. Make sure you guys check them out. They have a Shopify store. Check them out because they have, this stuff is really good. I'm so excited to have more of it. I love it. Okay, guys, I have a couple more things in here. So we have, stop it. I'm in awe. Okay, guys, again, this was $15. I just want to stress that before I show you this next thing. And it's a 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. I know these things are expensive. I know 111 Skin is expensive. So, wow. I actually wanted to try one of these, so that's super cool. I see everybody trying them. And they say that you have to lay down when you use this one. You can't sit up, so that's fine because I don't do Mask Monday where I'm talking to people and stuff. So, I'm really excited to have this. Wow, that is so cool. I'm so excited. And the last thing in here, and it's so funny that this is in here. Oh my gosh, I swear she like read my mind. I wanted this. This is an Ipsy bag. I wanted this one when Kelly was giving hers away and I didn't win it. But I got one anyway. Yay! So it's like a marble color. If you guys didn't see this, oh my God, it's so soft too. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I use these for gifts, but I'm actually going to keep this one. So this one's for me, but I do normally put gifts in these, but I'm going to keep this one because I really love this pattern. So guys, wow! Again, $15 on eBay. That's my rough estimate. It's a little less than that. It's like $9.95 and then like $4.95 shipping or $4.65 shipping or something like that. I'll pop it all up for you guys. Make sure that you check out their eBay store. Again, it is KelzMailJoy.com is their actual website to shop all of the great things that they have on their website as well. And make sure that you use code AMBER10 to get that 10% off your first order. Guys, this is so awesome. Supporting small businesses feels so good, and she has good quality products, and she really does it up with these mystery boxes, and they have awesome postcards and other little souvenirs and things like that on their website. So make sure you check them out, guys. It is so important that we support these small businesses, especially right now where a lot of them are going under. So I'm definitely going to be placing another order with her very soon. I can't wait to do it. I'm super excited. I'll use my code AMBER10 to get 10% off, and I hope that you guys do the same. Again, it is KelzMailJoy.com, and I will have everything linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! This is Amazar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be unboxing my hair out of my face. That'll be an interesting video. This is Amazar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be unboxing my... How do I say it? Hold on. And she also mentioned that there is a code available for you guys and myself. Amber, if you use... Yep. Shop there. Now. Awesome. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY. Oh, I just get so sick and tired of my hair. Like, I just can't wear it like this because it just does crazy stuff. So you need to check out their eBay store in addition to their actual website, Kelz. Boom. Try again. So make sure you jump over and check out their website, KelzMailJoy.com, so that you can get additional... No?